Hi, I'm Michael Friedel, Magnet Coordinator at Aweseom Olsen iCAN Magnet Academy. I want to invite you to our open house Thursday, November 14th at 6 p.m. Our Magnet Academies are about creating career and college readiness for students. Let my students give you a great look.
All of our students engage in project-based learning, which gives our students real-world experiences. We have a full offering of guest speakers and field trips in order to prepare our students for high school and college. All of our students are in an academy of their choosing that will align with a pathway into high school. Our Academy of Education is dedicated to creating our next generation of teachers and college professors. Our Academy of Hospitality and Tourism creates opportunities for students to develop their cooking skills and prepare them to compete in our South Florida economy. Students in the Academy of Business have created a real-world business with a budget of $20,000 that they will use to sell and market their products. Our Academy of Robotics and Marine Science encourages students to develop skills in robotics and coding, as well as career opportunities in marine science. Our Conservatory of Media and Music develops students' musical skills and is home to our very own Viking TV. Students at Aweseom Olsen iCAN Magnet Academy have a chance to earn high school credit through our Science Olympiad at South Broward, or our online options through FLVS. Whatever interest your child has, they will find a home at Aweseom Olsen Middle School.